Trading in today's fast-paced markets requires more than just a solid understanding of technical analysis. It demands a sophisticated approach that incorporates market psychology and dynamics. One of the most effective tools for achieving this is the volume profile, a concept that's gaining traction among professional traders and is now accessible to retail traders. At its core, the volume profile is a market analysis tool that visualizes the distribution of trading activity within a given price range, providing insights into market sentiment and order flow. By analyzing this data, traders can identify areas of high and low liquidity, as well as potential levels of support and resistance. The volume profile consists of three main components: the high-low range, the value area, VA, and the point of control, POC. The high-low range represents the entire price range of the trading session, while the value area is the range where the majority of trading activity occurred. The point of control, on the other